The Dermises AHA Exfoliating Mask is an effective revitalizing peel that exfoliates with the power of papaya, AHAs and multi-fruit acids for renewed and refined skin tone. Glycolic acid helps to fight fine lines and wrinkles for a complete and luxurious age-defying treatment. This powerful exfoliating treatment mask with Alpha Hydroxyl Acids promotes brighter, smoother, and younger-looking skin. Papaya Seed Extract helps promote cellular DNA reproduction, and firming includes pineapple, lemon, grape, and passion fruit extracts. Glycolic acid helps to plump skin and fight signs of aging. Directions: apply a thin layer to clean, damp skin, taking care to avoid the immediate eye area. Leave mask on for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Papaya seed extract helps promote cellular DNA reproduction and firming. Glycolic acid helps to plump skin and fight fine line and wrinkles. Includes pineapple, lemon, grape, and passion fruit extracts. Use with the Exfolibrush silicone facial brush. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.